Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to unsubscribe from Walmart emails. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, the account, and the shopping cart in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and unsubscribe from Walmart emails. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. So you can do it directly from email. So open a Walmart email in your inbox. So open a new link and go to email. Then scroll to the bottom of the email and click on unsubscribe link. Then follow the prompts to confirm your unsubscription. You can do it through the Walmart account. Go to Walmart and log into your account as I told you. Click on the account button in the top right corner. So it is here. As you can see, you can click on the button here. Then select account from the drop down menu. Navigate to communications and privacy under my account. Adjust your email preferences by disabling the marketing email option. It might take a few days for the changes to take effect, so you may still receive some emails shortly after unsubscribing. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.